Hey guys, it's Jennifer and I'm back with some NOMS Lights Mega Pack. This is the ice cube tray display case. There are 12 mystery NOMS inside. We have 2 on display here and the rest inside are in blind bags, so I'm super excited to see who we get. I love this color of the ice cube display case. On the back they have kind of like the checklist. There are gumdrops, jelly beans, fancy jellies, jelly cups, and the light up NOMS. Super cute. I really hope we get the cotton candy jelly or the B-Day jelly. They just look so cute. The jelly beans. Okay. Open this up. Let's see what we get. There we go. Sometimes these are hard to get into. Inside we get some instruction stuff. Oh, and the checklist. So the Series 3 lights shares a checklist with the Series 5. So here's the checklist for the lights. Series 3. Same that was on the back. Get this down and our blind bags. Okay, so our ones that are open, this is Brenda Banana. I don't know what she smells, very subtly like banana, but she is cute and glittery. These fancy jellies are super adorable. My dog just wants to play too. And our mom in here. We got a purple or pink ring. And this is cotton candy gem light up. Uh-oh, I pulled out the tag. Oh, there he goes. Doesn't want to light up very well. Oh, there we go. Ooh, this one smells really good. Let's see what she looks like inside a Brenda Banana. These are so fun. And you can wear them on your ring and take them with you. All right, who's in our blind bags? See who's in here. Ooh! This one is so glittery. I wonder if these all are glittery. This one is this Reagan Raspberry? Oh, and this is a special edition. I think this is Reagan Raspberry, and she's a jelly bean. Oh, she smells so good. Oh, I like her. The jelly beans, she's a little oddly shaped, but she's so cute. Next blind bag, who did we get? Ooh, another fancy jelly. This is Mindy Mango. Oh, that smells so much like mango. Oh, I really like the smell of this one. She is cute. Ooh, who is this? Bubbly Bridget. And this is a jelly cup. Oh yeah, that smells like bubble gum. Bubbly Bridget. This is key lime jelly. She smells like lime. She's cute. I like that Bubbly Bridget, you can put a nail polish in here. It has the hole on the top. Ooh. This is Mango Melody. A gumdrop. Oh, and she smells like mango. She's so cute. I really like her. I'm gonna put her back in the display case. Next blind bag. These ones are just such fun colors, and I love that they're sparkly. This is Claire Cherry. Smells like cherries. She's so cute. I wonder if you get another nom in here. Are they all just NOMS? Ooh, a blue one. Ooh, this is another jelly cup. This is Sprinkle Raz. Ooh, I love this one. I love the blueberry scented ones. Sprinkle Raz. What did we get? Ooh, who is this? This is OJ Gumdrop. Another gumdrop. Like the little ears. This one reminds me of a little puppy. Oh, this smells like oranges. Like a candy orange. Oh, yum. I love the smell of this one. Two more. What did we get in here? Oh, it's another ring and a light up nom. This is blueberry. Is this blueberry rock light up? Yeah. It's kind of purple, but it's blueberry. Blueberry rock light up with a blue ring. There we go. Alright, last one. Oh, it's another ring. So we got another ring. But then we got this one, and this is, who is this? Cotton candy jelly! This is the one I wanted. This is a jelly bean, and she smells like cotton candy. Oh, she smells so good. She is so cute. Oh, I love her. So we got 2 NOMS, 3 rings, a kind of like a reddish pink one, a purple one, and a blue one, and the rest are the NOMS. And cotton candy jelly has to definitely be my favorite. She is so cute and smells so good. This display case is super cool too because it has the holes in the back. You can hang it on your wall, which I think I might do, and display my favorite NOMS. Alright, well, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.